Hello everyone, my name is Richard Lloyd. I am the video producer for this channel. This is Richard Lloyd USA on YouTube. And I wanted to come on here tonight. It's New Year's Eve night, and I wanted to come on here tonight and express my thanks and my gratitude to everybody who supports my channel and my endeavors in this YouTube experience that I'm currently immersed in. I wanted to say Happy New Year to all of you, and I wanted to express how much I appreciate your warm comments, your liking my videos, and your subscribing to my channel. If you'd have told me 3 years ago that I would have a YouTube channel with 31 million views and 81,000 subscribers, I would have looked at you like you had three eyes in your head, because I just would not have believed it. But today, here I am with that currently happening. And that whole process has been a transformational experience for me. It has seriously transformed my life in splendid and wonderful ways. So basically, I'm living my dream. And that is because of you, because of your support for what I do. So I'm greatly appreciative of that. I want to thank my family, my friends, and my loved ones for supporting me as well. And I want to wish everybody a happy, prosperous, healthy new year. And I hope it is as grand as my last year was, if not grander. I've personally grown in deep and significant and very meaningful ways this year. I pray that your year has been just as fulfilling for you as it has been for me. My travels this year have taken me to the Pacific Northwest, the Atlantic Northeast, and many places in between. All that is possible because of my YouTube career and my entrepreneurship through this channel. I just can't express my gratitude enough for that experience and for the ability to do that. It's just amazing. I've traveled a total distance greater this year than around the world at the equator. So basically, I've gone around the world at its widest point in distance this year of travel. And I can't express enough how much I love to travel, and how wonderful an experience it is to travel, and how mind expanding that is. So I can't, I don't know if you're a travel person, but I love traveling. So, and the reason is because you grow so much in the process of doing so. During my travels this year, for instance, I met a Buddhist monk, which I sat on a plane next to a guy who's a Buddhist monk for 4 hours. I mean, what a conversation I had with this person. It was just amazing, okay? And I can still remember some of the golden nuggets this gentleman gave to me during that trip. So, I mean, that was amazing. I've met many wonderful people on flights. A wonderful lady from North Texas. Her name was Marilyn. And Marilyn, if you're watching, I hope you're doing well. She told me her life story, and I was just so moved and touched by that story. It was incredible. I got to see my mother on her birthday this year. I got to travel up to the East Coast, the northern East Coast of Canada, and yeah, I felt very blessed to be able to just get on a plane and go and do that. So again, thank you, because it was this YouTube endeavor that I've immersed myself in that helped to pay for that trip. I've traveled to the Pacific Northwest, which I fell in love with. The place is just spectacular. I am a nature guy. I love the scenery, and the Pacific Northwest, my goodness, it's just so lush and so rich and so naturally beautiful. So yeah. I plan on going back there this spring. Again, part of the reason that I can do that is because of this YouTube experience, and because you guys support my channel. So again, nothing but great appreciation for that. There are many ways to tally up a person's wealth, but a wealth of great stories and experience and a life well lived, shared with people you admire and love, is one of the highest and best in my book. So again, this is what all this is allowing me to do. This year's theme for me will be the year of becoming the best version of myself. I want to again thank you all for watching and supporting me. And, Happy New Year, a prosperous New Year, a healthy New Year, and I hope everything goes great for you this year as well. If you like this video and it helped you out in some way, give me a thumbs up on the bottom right-hand corner. That helps my channel. And if you want to subscribe to my channel and see great videos, just click on the my picture up here. You'll be subscribed to my channel. There'll also be a bell icon as part of that process. And if you click the bell icon, you will get a notification every time I put up a new video. Once again, and like always, Happy New Year, and thank you for your support.